In this video, I show you how to cast on for absolute beginners in knitting. I'm going to be using these bamboo needles. They are easy to use for beginners because of their firm grip. The yarn won't slip as you knit, and I'm using 6.5 millimeter needle sizes. And I'm using this Knitting Essential Premier Aran wool. Begin with taking out your strand. Find the end of your strand. And I will show you how to do a slip knot. You stretch your yarn like this and you twist it to form what looks like a loop. It's more like an 8-day ribbon. You know that heart ribbon that we do? Note the X. You just let your two strands overlap at the cross like this. That's all it is, and it forms this loop. And then you take your short tail and you pull it through that loop to form what we call a slip knot. This is how it looks like. And if you use the short tail, let me repeat that. The short tail increases and decreases the loop of your slip knot. So this is the loop that you need to put into your needles, and it should be this small. Make sure that it's not too tight for your needle to go through. And the first cast on method I'm going to show you is by using just your finger. You twist it like this and you hook it onto the needle and you pull. Pull, twist, hook, and tighten it. Pull, twist, hook, tighten. And it forms these cast on stitches. And you continue like this, depending on how big your project is. Say for instance you are knitting a scarf, so this is how you're going to use your finger and just cast on those stitches and count them up until they are 30. Do you see that? It is so neat, it is tidy, and look at the tension. It's not loose, it's just right. And this is my favorite method actually of casting on. I will show you a second method. Here I'm just creating a space so I can show you how to cast on using a needle. Begin by inserting your needle at the front and take your strand and put it in between the needles and pull it out and hook onto your needle. I note that I am hooking from the front, but either way you can hook from the back, but just be consistent with whatever method that you have chosen to follow. Because we are using a needle, please note that the texture of your cast on stitches are going to be slightly raised, and this is okay, but just remember to just stick to one method that you prefer doing, so that you end up with some consistent in the texture of the cast on stitches. There are many ways of casting on. Actually, other people, they hold their needle on the right and cast on using their left thumb, but whatever it is that you find easy, just stick to it, because it is what's going to make you happy. Yeah, so this is how you cast on in knitting to begin any project that you want to do. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed learning how to cast on, and please like and comment down below, and you can share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.